guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel, I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in tonight's video, we are going to be doing Monday minis. Let's just go ahead and take a sip of my sparkling water. Today I have one from Trader Joe's. I'm going to go ahead and take a sip. Alrighty, so let's just open up my binder here and count to see how much we are cash stuffing today. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How is everyone doing today? I'm going to go ahead and open up and display my Monday minis. These are my 6 challenges that I use each week. And yeah, hopefully I will be done with one tonight. We shall see, because the way I wrote last week, I could have been done with one of them, but it was just being stubborn. I cannot believe it is already almost the end of March. That means I am closer to my move. Yes, guys, I'm so excited. So excited for this move. All right, let me get this Tiki Bears one. Typically I fast forward through this part here, but I figured I can talk to you guys while I pull them out and set them up. All right, so let's just move some stuff around so I can create a thumbnail. Maybe I could put the cash up here this time. Well, let me get a nicer dollar because I like the nicer bills to be on top to show in the videos. Okay, so let's just start to roll. So I have a 6 die. I said this last time, I have a 6-sided dice. So I'm going to roll a dice and each one is going to get $1 until I'm done with this. And then we're going to count to see how much each challenge got. 6. Come on, 6. 5. I need one more for 6 to complete it. 5. 3. 2. 1. 5. 5. 5. 2. 5. Okay, 5 is getting a lot of luck tonight. What in the heck? 1. Come on, 6. 5. 6. Yes. Okay, so that I know for sure that challenge is going to be completed tonight. How exciting. Oops. Look at that. I got stuck. Number 1. Come on, number 4. Number 3. I got $2 left. Number 5. Who's going to get the last single? And number 4. Okay, good. That's good. Everyone got a little bit of love tonight. Okay, so I'm going to put these off to the side. We're going to go through each one and color it in. And then count to see how much that challenge has. Okay, we're going to start off with this one here. This is from Budget with Carly. So I have $3. So I'm going to go ahead and mark off a 3. Oh no. This marker like exploded. I just noticed that. Oh no. I mean, it didn't explode in my hand, but on here it did. Look at it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to have to throw this out and buy another one. And just use my orange one. Let me do that now because I don't want it to get on things. Okay, so let's just move my binder in frame so I can pull the cash from here and see how much I have total. So I have 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 37. This challenge is going to save me 75. This is just, to me, a fun way of saving money. You know, it's always something, it's always easy to just put money in an envelope. But to me, like playing games, it makes it so much more fun. So, okay, so the next one is going to be Everyone's Invited to the Picnic. And this one just has $2. So I'm going to go ahead and color in this little bug right here. Okay, so let's just pull this out, the cash, and see how much we have total. We have 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 39, and this challenge is going to save me 65. The next one is the owl savings. So last week, I think I just had, hold on, let me see how much I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So, okay, so I had $2 that I hadn't technically cash stuffed yet. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's no 5 yet. So again, I'm going to put it in the front, and then we're going to see, hopefully next week, I can circle off a 5. The next one is the spicy level challenge, and it just got $1. And this one, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I still need $1 to be able to color in pepper. I was going to say a spicy pickle. All right, the next one is Tiki Bears. This one got the most tonight. Let's see how much Tiki Bears has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. Wow, that's great. Okay, so let's just get the marker here. Let's do this one. Yeah. So I have 9. Let's do 5. 8. And then 9. Okay, let's see how much I have total in Tiki Bears. So that's 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. $41. That's great. I'm not sure how much this challenge is going to save, so we'll find out when I'm done with it. Okay, the last one here is mbbmusic, and this is 1, 2, 3, and all I needed was $2 to complete this challenge, and I have succeeded. Yes. Let me color in the last 2, and we're going to ring that bell, and then we're going to count to see how much this challenge saved us. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31, 2, $32. Yes. So I'm going to put this to the side for now, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it in a moment. But I do want to pick a next challenge for next week. So let me get my book. Let me check the booklet to see if there's anything that stands out to me that I might want to use. All 50s. I don't want any scratch offs. I need ones with like low denominations. Okay. All right, you guys. So I have decided that I will use this challenge here moving forward. So let's see. I might be able to cash stuff that $1 into that challenge. Let's see if I have $1 in here. This one is arrojos y sobrecitos. I don't know what that says. Sorry. Maybe someone who's Spanish can say it. Arrojos y sobrecitos. I think I said it right. All right. So I have $1. So I'm going to go ahead and color in $1 here. And I will add this one to the back here of this binder. And I'll put the cash in the back. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this challenge here, the completed savings challenge. For those that might not know or might be new, I am saving completed challenges into my Move. So let's count this again. We have 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31, 2. So $32. I'm going to add it to this section here. Today is the 25th. So I'm going to put deposit plus 32. 305 plus 32 is 336. Okay, let's just count and make sure that this is 336. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 300, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is correct, 336. I'm going to go ahead and cash stuff this back in here. I'm going to put this binder away, and I have decided that I'm going to be keeping my savings challenges, and I'm going to put them in this little accordion thing for now in the back, just so I can keep them safe until I move, and then maybe I'll just keep utilizing that, you know, to keep my completed saving challenges for these sort of videos. All right, you guys, so this is it. I don't have any cash left. I redistributed my completed savings challenge, and I got a new savings challenge starting for next week. Okay, you guys, go ahead, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. I don't know if I already said that. And leave me a yellow heart emoji. That way I know you guys are at this point. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night when you're watching this. Hopefully you're watching this on a Monday. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.